Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I am going to show you how to make prawn 65 recipe. This is a very simple recipe. We are going to make a flavorful batter for this recipe. You can use the same ingredients to make chicken 65 as well. Come on, let's get started. I am using 200 grams of prawns today, which I have cleaned and deveined. Adding salt as required. Half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, a pinch of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, juice of half a lime, one teaspoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of maida, 1 teaspoon of gram flour, half a teaspoon of rice flour, few chopped coriander leaves, 1 green chilli finely chopped, 1 egg. Mix all these well. And let this marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's deep fry the prawns. I have kept some oil to deep fry. So it shouldn't be too hot. Drop in the prawns one by one. Do not overcrowd the pan. Gently flip it after a minute. Prawns will be cooked in 2 to 3 minutes, so do not overcook them. And now this is ready. Let's remove it from the oil and transfer it to a tissue. You can also fry some green chilies and curry leaves to garnish. This is ready. Definitely give this a try. This goes well with rice or even with biryanis, and it is a wonderful starter. Do try this recipe. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care. Bye. It was so simple, right? So follow the exact ratio. It will definitely not stick to each other, and it is a very yummy recipe. Trust me and try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care. Bye.